bakit hindi mo na lang tanggalin? Why do these weaknesses still have to be present in my life? Like, can you just take it away and can you just make me stronger as ever? But, na-realize ko, bro, na what Paul said, 2 Corinthians 12, my grace is sufficient for you. My power is made perfect in weakness. And that's when it makes sense to me. That's why God allows you to have weaknesses. The tendency, we lean sa strength natin. And every time we lean sa strength natin, mas lalo tayong nangihina. Kasi, limited yung supply natin eh.
Yeah.
Hindi tulad ng strength ni Lord na unlimited. Sa akin, doon ako nagli-lean, bro. Para ma-walk ko ng maayos yung path and to be consistent sa changes ng life ko and to be a blessing to the people around me, especially my family. I need to constantly get that strength from God and really be humble about my weaknesses.